Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Acorns account detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Acorns account, start by launching the Acorns app on your device. If you're using a web browser, navigate to the Acorns website. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to begin the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure the email address is correct and that you have access to it. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email for a message from Acorns. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the password reset link provided. This link will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Enter your new password and confirm it in the required field. After successfully resetting your password, try logging in with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. If you've forgotten the email associated with your account, go back to the login page. Click on the Need Help link at the bottom. Select the option for Account Recovery Assistance. Fill out the form with the necessary information to verify your identity. After submitting the form, wait for a response from Acorns support. They will guide you through the steps to regain access to your account. Once your account is recovered, take a moment to review your account settings. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. After following these steps, you should have access to your Acorns account again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.